Carcalor, Tiagwit, agus fáilte go dtí an rang Gaeilge. Iniu táimid ag fécant na foranamnacha rave uclacha. We are looking at the prepositional nouns agus egg. Okay, we have seen these before. Urimert uri. Egg, a gumagut a get a ke. Okay, so Cade an scale an sho. Okay, in chapter 1 we learnt about prepositional nouns that are based on le and do. Okay, do you remember we did those ones? Lum, liat, lesh, lay, lin, live, lo, dum, dit, do, dit, dun, div, doiv. We use prepositional nouns when a preposition, example, with, for, on, at, and a pronoun, example, me, you, him, her, come together. In English, 2 words are used, with me, or for them. In Irish, as Gaeilge, we combine the 2 words to form one word, a gum, urhu. See how many you can spot in the next exercise. Okay, so the next exercise is what? Tá couple of dinner a kaint an seo. So tá profili an seo. So ibrahim grania. Grania an tanam atá urim. Okay, urim. There's a rave. That's a foranam rave ucluk. Tá mé cliste, canasta, feel agus fashionta. Tá súlia donna a gum. Okay, so súlia are eyes, donna brown. So I have brown eyes. So we use a gum, a gut, a get, a ke when we're talking about having something. For example, eyes. Agus tá gruig alling urim. Okay, so when it's gruig, we are going to use urim urti. Air for hair. Think of it like that. Okay, so it's a little bit different when we're talking about gruig. Fada agus katok kasula pup railta. Okay, I have tá gruig all. I have long curly hair like a pop star. Okay, what about Evan? Evan an tanam atá urim. Tá mé sportúil, finúil agus feel. Tá mé go hálan. Tá súlia donna a gum. So we're using a gum for súlia. Agus tá gruig ashinta urim. And I have fashionable hair. And we're using urim for hair. Okay, as I said. Time cosúil le réalta sport. I am like a sport star. Okay, fécinn seo, tá Bert Collini an seo. Donna agus Deirdre an tanam atá uring. Now, urim is May, uring is mwid. That's for us. Urim, earth, urhi, uring, urhu. Is cúpla mwid. Tá mid sportúil, cliste, feel, agus fashionta, agus cowrach, and helpful. Tá gruig galanta uring. Okay, so again, gruig, we're using uring. We're using urimert there, urhi. Fada agus katok, long and curly. Támid cosúil le pup railty. We are like pop stars. Okay, so rounding on focal cart. Look at the buska glass and shin. Grania. Grania an tanam atá. Which one is it? Is it a gum or is it urim? Okay, what do you think? It is. You're correct. It's urim. Okay, so we can say grania an tanam atá urim. Okay, what's another way of saying that? You don't have to use urim. There's another. If I said to you "Codas anam dit," she could say grania is anam dum. So there's another way of saying that. Okay, and then see how you get on with the other ones there. Okay, so what is your task? Your task giver a hain here is scríomh an Gaeilge, an Gaeilge agus an Béarla. Those three guys scríomh isteach cópléir agus taring picture. Okay, so you're going to draw a nice little picture of each character, write in what they're saying, and then you're going to write in as Béarla, what it is they're saying, Cadé sin as Béarla. Okay, so that's task giver hain. Task giver though is your buska glass. Okay, the buska gloss, the green box down at the bottom of the page. Okay, write the full sentence and choose the correct one. Scríb an Gaeilge agus an Béarla. Okay, so that's task giver hain agus task giver do. Is there a task giver 3? Yes, there is. Task giver 3 is writing in the buska bon jarrig. Okay, writing in that buska, the pink box at the top of the page, exactly how it is into your coplar. Okay? Agus sin é, task giver hain do agus a 3. Slán go fóill.